Roy Halladay, who comes into this game with a record of 2-1 and an ERA of 2.83.
Strike!
Swing and a miss. He got him. First strikeout of the day for Halladay, number 26 on the year.
Change up.
Or to
Strike!
This particular jersey as Bartlett goes down on strikes. 2 outs here in the first.
Well, he likes his change up early. Just got another strikeout on one.
Strike!
Swing and a miss. A breaking ball. And that's the 3rd strikeout for Halladay. 3-2 the count to Hop.
Strike!
Swing and a miss. 2 outs. 4 strikeouts for Halladay.
Another change up.
1-2 the count to Maben.
Got it!
Around, says the first base umpire, Andy Fletcher. 2 outs here in the 3rd. That's the 5th strikeout for Halladay.
Strike!
Swing and a miss. He got him. Count went back to 3 balls and 2 strikes, and Halladay picks up his 6th strikeout of the afternoon. Well, that's where he wanted to go, and he just
got it!
Right out the outside corner. 7 strikeouts for Halladay. On the inside.
Got it!
That one cut right back into the strike zone. A called strike 3. 8 strikeouts for Halladay, and very quickly 2 outs here in the 6th.
That's true. Turned out to be good.
There's a call.
Got it!
Ruiz knew it. He already popped up or was headed back to the dugout. Just think about his last 3 innings. I know that, pitch counts are talked about probably too often in the game of baseball these days. But Halladay, who gets another strikeout. That's his 10th of the game. Looking on
got it!
Called strike 3. 11 strikeouts for Halladay.
That's another reason why his total starting to climb a little bit, because he's getting all these strikeouts.
The 1-2 pitch.
Strike!
Swing and a miss. He got him. He struck out the side here in the 7th. The first time I think that he's stepped off or shaken off Ruiz.
Yeah, he just wasn't comfortable there.
Here's the payoff pitch. On the outside.
Got it!
Called strike 3. 13 strikeouts for Halladay. 6 outs in a row on strikeouts. Thursday, then Monday.
Strike!
Swing and a miss. He got him, and he matches his career high in strikeouts with 14 this afternoon. Another 1-2-3 inning for Halladay.